Today's message: the divide friends, family, faith, and the digital age will come to the Making Noise show, where we're committed to spreading the gospel everywhere, even into the most challenging corners of our modern lives. Today, we're tackling a deeply personal and increasingly pervasive concern: the growing divide we see all around us. Perhaps you've felt it too, a subtle, yet undeniable, falling away in our connections. It's in the workplace where genuine collaboration seems replaced by isolated tasks. It's even in our churches, where fellowship can feel fractured. And perhaps most painfully, it's in our homes, where the very bonds of family seem stretched thin by unseen forces. We used to count on our friends and family to play supporting roles in our lives, to be there through thick and thin. But now, we're left asking, what's happening to our social standards? Has the relentless hum of social media killed the very essence of genuine social connection? Has the smartphone, designed to bring us closer, instead made us different, perhaps even dumbed us down, or blinded us to truth and reality in our pursuit of curated feeds and fleeting likes? Or is this merely another symptom of a broader political movement, pulling us apart into ideological camps? This isn't just a feeling. It's a profound concern for the fabric of our communities, our families, and our faith. We are witnessing a serious divide, and it demands our attention. Join us as we explore these pressing questions, seeking biblical wisdom and practical insights to understand this societal abnormality, and more importantly, to discover how we can bridge these divides and reclaim the richness of true human connection.